Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download files from OneDrive to your computer. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head over to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft account. This ensures you have access to all your stored files and folders. After entering your credentials, wait a moment while the login process completes and OneDrive loads your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your OneDrive dashboard where all your files and folders are organized. Now, to download files from OneDrive to your computer, direct your attention to the left-hand menu of your dashboard. You'll see several navigation options here that help you browse through different sections of your OneDrive storage. In this left-hand menu, click on My Files. This option displays a complete list of all the files and folders you've stored in your OneDrive account. It's your central hub for accessing everything you've uploaded, making it easy to find exactly what you need to download. Now, to download files to your computer, start by selecting the file you wish to download. If you need to download multiple files at once, you can do so by clicking on the check mark that appears next to each file name. This allows you to batch download several files in one go, which saves you time if you're working with multiple documents or images. Once you've selected your file or files, you'll notice an action menu appear at the top part of your files list. This toolbar contains various options for managing your selected items. Look for the download option in this menu and click on it. As soon as you click download, the selected file will automatically begin downloading to your computer from OneDrive. Your browser will handle the download process, and you can typically find the downloaded files in your default downloads folder. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded files from OneDrive directly to your computer, making it easy to access your cloud-stored content offline whenever you need it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.